Most people think building AI agents means writing hundreds of lines of complicated code. But what if I told you that you can create a team of AI specialists, like a researcher, writer, and reviewer, with just a few Python classes? That's what CrewAI is built for. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your first CrewAI agent from scratch. So what exactly is CrewAI? CrewAI is an open-source Python framework that helps you build AI applications using multiple AI agents. Before we write any code, let's understand the three core building blocks of CrewAI: agent, task, and crew. The first building block is an agent. An agent represents an AI worker. It has a specific role, a goal, and instructions that define how it should behave. For example, you might create a research agent whose job is to gather accurate information from available sources. With the role, goal, and instruction set, your agent can now perform the research task easily. The second building block is a task. A task defines the work that needs to be completed. For example, research the latest AI trends or write a LinkedIn article about CrewAI. Now your agent is assigned the specific research task to be done. Finally, we have a crew. A crew is simply a team of agents working together to complete one or more tasks. You assign tasks to agents, group them into a crew, and CrewAI coordinates the execution. Think of it this way: agents are the people, tasks are the work, and the crew is the team that collaborates to get the job done. Now let's build our first CrewAI application. First, we need to install CrewAI from its official website by running this PowerShell script. Now we can create a CrewAI project by running the command CrewAI create new, followed by the name of the project. Let's copy the command so that we can run this in our VS Code IDE. Once you run this command, it automatically creates required files which you can later customize accordingly. So this is how the project folder structure looks like. The important ones are agents.yaml, task.yaml, and crew.py. Rest files are equally important. So let's create the project with the name research team with the command CrewAI create crew research team. CrewAI will automatically create the folders and files required to build a multi-agent application. It will ask the AI provider to be used. Select your preferred AI provider by entering the suitable number. I am selecting OpenAI. Next, it will ask you to select the AI model for your selected AI provider. I am going to select GPT-4o Mini. It may ask you to enter API key for the selected AI provider, but for security reason, it is not recommended. We can securely provide this API key later via env file. And that's it. Based on these inputs, CrewAI will start generating templates and files. Your CrewAI project is fully set up. Now let's have a close look on the files generated. First, inside the config folder, we have two important files, agents.yaml and tasks.yaml. The agents.yaml file is where we define our AI agents. For example, one agent can be a researcher whose job is to collect information, and another agent can be a reporting analyst whose job is to convert that research into a final report. Next, we have the tasks.yaml file. This file defines what each agent needs to do. Here, the research_task is assigned to the researcher agent. Its job is to research a given topic and return important bullet points. Then we have the reporting_task, which is assigned to the reporting analyst. This agent reviews the research output and converts it into a detailed markdown report. Now let's understand the final part of our CrewAI application. We define our crew using the @crew decorator. A crew is where we bring everything together, like associating all the agents and all the tasks to the crew component. Before moving to next step, have your .env file ready with model name and your API key as shown here. You can create your API keys from OpenAI platform site. Now that we have run the first step and have gone through the files generated, let's now move to the next step, that is running the project. But we first need to run CrewAI install command to have every required packages in place. Let's open our VS Code editor and run the command CrewAI install. Final step is now to run the command CrewAI run. Once we run this command, it goes to run method of main.py. And then it actually calls kickoff method of CrewAI component. The research agent has performed the research task. If we see the task of research agent, it is supposed to provide 10 bullet points for the research topic. Now we can see that once research task is completed, reporting task is called by reporting task agent. So this is the power of CrewAI, where multiple agents can be called and orchestrated by a single component called Crew. Today you learned what CrewAI is, understood the core concepts of agents, tasks, and crews, and built your very first AI agent. But this is only the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore how to give your agents real superpowers by connecting them to tools like web search and APIs so they can perform useful real-world tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Agentic Navigator for more practical AI agent tutorials.